Hi there, this is Andrea Mowry of Drea Renee Knits, and today's knitting tutorial is going to demonstrate a special technique used in my Jaunty shawl pattern. So this is a decrease we need to use at the very end when we are going to be decreasing the body of the shawl into the I-cord. So right here I have just a little swatch knit up with half fisherman's rib like you'll be using in the shawl, and here is a little I-cord edge, and again this is just for demonstrating. So I am going to show this technique first by holding the yarn in my left hand, continental or picking style, and then I'll demonstrate again using the yarn in my right hand. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a Slip-1, Knit-1 Below PSSO. So in the pattern, it's going to have you work partway into your I-cord just by 2 stitches, but we're going to decrease the part of the shawl body into the I-cord here. So I'm at my last stitch of my I-cord, and that is the stitch I need to slip knitwise. So I'm going to insert my right hand needle knitwise as if to knit, and I'm just going to pass that stitch from my left hand needle over to the right. Now the next stitch, or the next step in this decrease, is to knit the next stitch, but I need to knit into the one below. So instead of just knitting right here from my needle, I need to go down 1 stitch and insert my needle there. That's how you do a knit 1 below. So I knit 1 below, and now is just the PSSO part of the decrease where we are going to pass our slip stitch over the top and off of the stitch we had just knit below. And there we go, that's it, that's the decrease. It efficiently eats the last stitch of our shawl into our I-cord for us. So I'm going to go ahead and back my way out of this, which I'll show just in case for any reason you need to undo yours, and then I'm going to demonstrate that decrease again, but holding the yarn in my right hand, English style or throwing. So to back out of this decrease, the first thing we need to do is lift the stitch we had passed over and off of our needle back onto our needle. So we're really just going to work this whole decrease in reverse. So I've placed that stitch back up. Now I need to return the stitch I knit from below over to my left hand needle. I'm going to insert my left hand needle back into this stitch, and I'm following the path of my working yarn so I can unknit it. So I insert my needle in, and then I can pop this off of my my right hand needle and pull the yarn out. So I've unknit it. Now the last step would be to re-purl that one together. That's the stitch I had knit below, and when I knit below it had brought this leg up. So I just returned that so that it's exactly how it was before. All right, and then I just need to slip this stitch back to my left hand needle, and I'm back at my start. So let's go ahead and check out this decrease one more time, except for holding our yarn English style, also known as throwing. So the first step of our decrease is to slip the first stitch, which is going to be the last stitch of your I-cord, knitwise. So I insert my right hand needle as if to knit and pass the stitch from the left to the right. Now I need to knit 1 below. So I insert my needle into the stitch below and knit. And then we do a PSSO by passing our slip stitch over the top of the stitch we just knit and off. And that's it. That is a Slip-1, Knit-1 Below PSSO. Happy knitting!